Hey, James Barrett here at the Auto Spa. I get a lot of questions about our different packages and what do we do, what do you get for each package. So we have several different packages, but I'm going to talk about our most used, our best value. A lot of people would call this a quote unquote full detail. Well, we take it a little bit farther. So it's called the Platinum Plus package. Okay, so with the Platinum Plus package, we're going to wash your vehicle, hand wash your vehicle. We're going to clean your fender wells. We're going to clean your wheels, your tires, inside and out, top to bottom, every nook, every cranny. That is what we do in our Platinum Plus package. The truck, we're going to wash out your truck bed. If it's an SUV or a car, we're going to push all your seats forward. We're going to lift them up. We're going to flip them. Anything that moves, we're going to get in there and we're going to attack each and every bit of dirt that we can get. We're going to also apply fabric guard. If you have fabric, we're going to put leather conditioner. If you have leather, we're going to polish the outside with some of the best waxes and polishes that's out on the market right now. It is going to look better than when it came off the showroom, or as close to showroom shine as we can get. That is our Platinum Plus package.